Hello guys, and welcome to another beautiful video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can record your smartphone screen using screen recorder. Now this is a very good way for you if you're a shy person, and if you are someone who is you really don't like to show your face on camera. This is a good way for you to actually train people or to show people how stuffs are done. You can even use this method to do your videos on YouTube. You can use this method to train people, okay? And this is good for smartphone users. Now, if you are just landing on this channel for the first time, kindly do me a favor by subscribing to this video, and when you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that when I post more videos you can be notified. Also, please don't forget to like this video if you are getting value from this. My name is Awajima Misioto, and I'm going to be taking you in this. So quickly, let us move to my screen so I show you how it's done. So what you're going to do right now, if you want to get the app we're going to be using is screen recorder. Okay, so you're going to go to Google Play Store. If you don't have it, you're going to go to Google Play Store, and you're going to type the name of the app, which is screen recorder. All right, you're going to tap screen recorder. When you get to screen recorder, you're going to look for the one that is needed. Now you're going to choose this one that has a blue video icon. Okay, this one that has a blue video icon that has 4.2 star. Okay, that's the one you're going to click. All right, or you come to this one that has that is below here, which has 3.0 star. Okay, but for me, I choose this one that has 4.2 star. All right, so you're going to click it. Okay, you're going to click it, and the next thing you do is to install. Okay, once you install it, it's going to come into your phone. Okay, it's going to come into your phone. All right, so once we have installed it, the next thing for us to do is to go straight to the app. All right, let me pick the app. So once you come to the app, this is the app here. You just click it. Now these are videos that I have recorded before. Okay, these are videos that I've recorded before. Now because I am recording on the spot, okay, I'm recording right now currently, so I cannot hit the play button right now because I'm recording. So for you, you're going to see on this part below, you're going to see a button that is asking you to play. Okay, so once you hit that button, it's going to give you a numbering like 3, 2, 1. All right, and the next thing is it begins to record. Then you're going to see when it starts recording, you're going to see this sign on top that looks like an orange icon. Okay, you're going to see that sign on top. That's the sign that shows you that the recording is ongoing. Okay, now you can't see the play button right now asking you to record because we are recording on the spot. I'm recording on the spot. For your own, is going to be different. Okay, you're going to see it here below asking you to record. So once you hit it, next thing you see is 3, 2, 1, and then your recording begins. Okay, you can, while you're recording, you can talk, you can do whatever you want to do as you do whatever you're doing on your screen, and automatically it's going to be recording. And once you're done with recording, you just click on this X button, this button with blue X. Okay, once you click on it, it stops the recording, and automatically it will be recorded. It will the recording will fall into this place where you see videos. All right, just like you have here. So guys, this is how to record your video. This is how to screen record your videos. All right, so in my next video, please check the description. All right, check the description for this video. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can edit your recorded videos. Okay, just in case you have done a presentation like this and you want to edit it, I'm going to show you how it's done in my next video. If you got value from this and you haven't subscribed, guys, kindly subscribe to this video and give it a thumbs up Okay, and if you can, as much as you can share this video to your friends and your family. I look forward to seeing you in another video. Enjoy.